If you have multiple clips or multiple images, when you are creating or editing the video in CapCut, you can add transition so that your video will be more engaging. So here we are seeing couple of clips are there and there are a couple of scenes are there. I want to add a transition for each of them so that it will look very nice and attractive. So let's see how we can do this thing. To do this thing, at first we need to click the transitions of our CapCut, and then we'll find different types of transitions are there, and there is a menu. If we click here, it will be expanded, and here there are different types of transitions are there. I'm going to add a transition like blink, so I'm going to click this search box, and then I'm starting typing blink and then hit enter key. Then we'll see different types of blink is there, but I'm going to use this one. So to add this transition between these two clips, we just need to drag and drop it in between of the clip, and then we have to release our mouse. Same way we can do all other clips also, in between the clips, and here you see the transition is there. Now let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to play from here in a big screen, and you will see how the transition is affecting or applying. So I just started playing, and here you see the blink is there. So in this way we can add transition in CapCut, and we can add any type of transition in between the clips.